Earning in dollars is one thing you want to do if you are anywhere in Africa, Nigeria precisely where I am right now. Now, the best thing you want to do is to start making money in dollars so that when converted to your own currency, you can be able to have enough money to fend for yourself and for your loved ones. Looking at what is happening right now in the economy, then you would agree with me that what you need to do is to start making money in dollars. Now, on this video, what I'll be sharing with you is what you can do that will make you money in dollars and how you can get started with that. Now, if that is of interest to you, then you want to watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing with you multiple businesses that you can get started with that will make you money in dollars. So let's get into it, guys. Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited that you are on this video. If this is the first time that you are coming on my channel, then I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you join the family by subscribing to this channel, and also do well to check other videos on this channel, because I have money making videos that will make you money on this channel. Don't forget to set the notification buttons on so that you can very well get notified whenever I put out a video like this. So let's get into it already. My number one is for you to actually get your mindset ready. Yes, guys, when we talk about making money, especially in dollars and in foreign currency, one of the things you want to make ready is your mind. Because if your mind cannot see you making money in dollars, then definitely, no matter what it is that you do, you will never see yourself making that money, and you will not even see yourself, you will not even make that money that you are looking at. So the first thing you want to do is to get your mindset ready. See it that making money is easy as easy peasy, right? Make sure that you are having it in your subconscious that making money in dollars is the one thing that you want to do, and you would very well do it as you get started. Whatever business that you will be starting, I want you to see it in your subconscious that you will be profiting from that business, and you will be attracting dollars to yourself and to your life. So that is the one thing you want to get ready. Make sure that your mindset is very ready for you to begin to attract the kind of money that you are looking at attracting. Because with the businesses that I will be introducing to you, you can very well make $100 and above, right? Depending on how much of time and work you are able to put into all of this. So you want to get yourself ready in your mind so that you can make the kind of money that you actually want to make. So the next thing you want to do is for you to learn a high paying skill. Yes, guys, it is very, very important that you begin to ask yourself, what are the high paying skills that would afford you to actually earn in dollars? There are a lot of companies out there that are looking for people from all over the world to actually help them with doing taxes on a daily basis. So if you can learn these skills that they are looking for, and you position yourself to want to get that job, definitely you will be earning that amount of money that you are looking at in dollars. So you want to aim high, you want to learn high paying skills. So you want to learn high paying skills. Now, what are these high paying skills? One, you can say copywriting, you can say email marketing, you can say digital marketing, graphics designs, and a lot more, right? Now, copywriting is helping people write descriptions for their product, helping people write descriptions for whatever it is that they do. There are a lot of companies out there that are looking for people that would write articles for them, that would write scripts for them, that would do video script for them, or translations for them, right? So if you can actually position yourself for this skill, then you can very well have money in your account. So the first thing you want to do is to very well learn this one skill, right? You can go on YouTube, go on Google, and begin to research on copywriting and learn everything about copywriting. Now, when you have learned this skill, all right, the one thing you want to do before you start looking for customers, clients that will actually pay you dollars, one thing you want to do is to actually know that your copies actually convert. So how do you know that? One thing you want to do is to reach out to people that are around you, asking them to actually write copies for them for free. Or if you are a business owner, if you have a product that you sell for yourself or for your business, you can very well begin to write copies for yourself. Begin to write copies for your business or for your product, and see how much you're able to convert on each and every copy that you would write. When you have been able to practice for some time and you can see that you have been able to, convert very well, then you can begin to look out for people that will need that service. Now, if you are not a business owner, or if you do not have product that you can write copies for, one thing you want to do is to reach out to other business owners and ask them to actually write copies for them. I've had a lot of people come to me asking me, I want to write copies for you, I want to do this for you. So you can reach out to people, tell them you're doing it for free, just for them to give you testimonials, just for them to give you referrals, just for them to, actually know if your work is up to what they would actually need. So that's the one thing you want to do. Once you have been able to harness this skill, once you have been able to convert with your copies, then you can go online and begin to look for international clients that will actually give you this money. And even if you are not looking for international clients, even you can also put out a training teaching people how to do same, and you will attract other people from all over the world paying you money in their currency, and you will teach them how to write copies, right? So copywriting is one of the high-paying skills that you can learn. Graphics design is one of the high-paying skills that you can learn. Email marketing, digital marketing, selling for people is another hot selling skill that you can learn. There are a lot of people that are looking for people that will bring them customer. So if you can actually advertise for people, like running Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts, Google adverts, YouTube adverts, then definitely there are a lot of people that are looking for this service. So all you want to do is put up a profile, announcing all of that, and they will very well reach out to you. Another skill you want to learn is another thing you want to do when it comes to making money with your copywriting skill is for you to go to Upwork or Fiverr and register. So on Upwork and Fiverr, there you have people from all over the world coming there, because it is a marketplace where people are coming to search and look for jobs, right? People that can help them with certain things. So once you go on Upwork or Fiverr, you can register, input your email, your password, make a profile on this profile on that platform, and begin to make and advertise that one skill. So you put up your copywriting skill, your graphics design skill, your digital marketing skill, you put up a portfolio right there on Upwork or Fiverr, and people will begin to reach out to you. One of the things I would advise that you do is that that you put your pricing on a low as compared to people that have been on the platform for long, so that these people can reach out to you instead of reaching out to those other people. Because since your pricing is a bit low and you are sure that what you are offering is top notch, just like those other people, they will definitely reach out to you. So all of the testimonials that you are getting from the people that you have helped for free to do work for them, you can put it on those platforms, and when people come on those platforms, they will see your testimonials, they will see the work that you have done, and they will very well, they'll ask you to actually do the work for them. So that is another way you can make money using the high paying skills that you will be learning. So go right now and begin to learn these high paying skills and begin to practice, so that you can begin to make money from this business. Another thing that you want to do is to begin to create digital product. Yes, guys, digital product is another thing that can bring you dollars in your bank account. Digital skills, digital product is another thing that can make you money every single day. So one thing you want to do is create ebooks, create templates, create book covers for people, and begin to attract them to yourself. So just like I said, this skill you want to learn, one of the digital product, it can be ebooks, it can be online courses, it can be templates, it can be workbooks. So learn how to create any of these, and again, do it for people for free, right? Do it for people for free and get testimonials from them, get referrals, let them talk about what you have done for them for free. So that's where you can attract more people to yourself. So when you do it for free for people, you practice over time. Do it for yourself, also practicing over time, so that you can be good with this skill. Then you can again go to Upwork and Fiverr and put up an account and put the skill there, saying that you are offering this, right? Then you can begin to attract international clients to yourself. You can also go to you can also begin to teach people, right, all over the world how to actually create digital products, and they will very well pay you money. Now, the beautiful thing about these digital products, how you can collect money, is that you can create seller accounts, right? Seller collects money from about 6 or more countries, all right? So you can create a seller account. I'm going to do a video. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how to create seller accounts. Write in the comments, state that in the comments. So you can create seller account and put up your gig there, so that whenever people actually reach out to you, you direct them to seller, and they will go pay in dollars, euros, whatever currency that they want to pay you in. All right, so that is another way you can collect your money. You can also use Paystack, right? Paystack also allows you to collect money from other countries in outside Africa, right? So these platforms are something that you can actually use. All right, so you want to begin to create digital products for yourself, for people, and begin to earn money in dollars. That is another thing that you want to do if you are looking at making money in dollars. Another thing that you want to do is to open a YouTube channel. Yes, guys, YouTube channel is another way for you to actually make money in dollars. So even if you are offering copywriting skills, or you are doing digital products with your YouTube channel, you can advertise any of the skills that you have actually learned, right? And have people put a link in the description of your YouTube channel, have people go to seller to buy whatever product or whatever skills that you want them to buy. So creating a YouTube channel is another thing that you can do. And apart from listing your product on YouTube can also pay you in dollars if you're able to reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour. YouTube begins to pay you money in dollars because YouTube are not Africans, right? So they pay you money in dollars. So that is another thing you want to do when it comes to making money in dollars in this time. So let me know in the comments. I'm looking at creating a course on YouTube, how you can actually start a YouTube channel. Now let me know if you are interested. I'm going to create that course and put it out so that you can join the program. So let me know in the comments if you want to learn how to actually start a YouTube channel. Now this is something I advise every business owner to do. Whatever it is that you are doing, you can very well create a YouTube channel. Start your journey to learning the high-paying skills that I mentioned in this program by joining the School of Digital Skills, where you'll be learning copywriting skills, website creation, ebook creation, social media graphics design, online courses, and every high-paying skills that will make you money in dollars in no time. So you want to click the description of this video and get the link to join the class right now.